Welcome to Medical Mondays. I'm Dr. Jenn. Today we're going to talk about the powerful health benefits of turmeric. This spice contains a compound called curcumin, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. But did you know that it can also help prevent and treat a number of serious health conditions? Studies have shown that turmeric may be effective in preventing certain types of cancers, including breast, colon, and prostate, by interfering with the growth and spread of cancer cells. Additionally, turmeric has been shown to be helpful in relieving symptoms of menopause, such as hot flashes, thanks to its ability to balance hormones in the body. For those with autoimmune diseases, turmeric may alleviate some of the symptoms by reducing inflammation and bolstering the immune function. Finally, India has rates of curcumin intake that are the highest in the world, but the lowest rates of Alzheimer's disease. There's data suggesting that curcumin has neuroprotective properties and may prevent and slow the progress of this devastating disease. But not all turmeric supplements are created equal. This is what I personally use, which has great absorbency. I only take 3 supplements, and this powerhouse is one of them. See you next week. I'm Dr. Jenn. Be well.